everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to build an AI assistant for mobile app business. So if you're also running a mobile app business, then this video is definitely for you. So as a mobile app developer company, I receive a lot of queries from my customer regarding the app's development and installation, and replying manually to these conversations is so time consuming. So I am going to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot that will answer my customer queries in my absence and going to provide them details on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it. So firstly, in this video I am going to build an AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot using AI agent. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I will guide you how to build an AI agent designed specifically for mobile app business. So this chatbot will guide users regarding the installation, updation and details of the mobile apps, and this AI agent is going to provide the details on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it, which is a .txt document. So here you can see this is the AI agent I have built for my mobile app business, and I have selected the AI as OpenAI over here. Now I am going to show you the working of this AI agent. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. And now let's say my users enter a message that is, hey, I need help. Here as my user is providing, hey, I need help message, my AI agent is responding, that is, of course I am here to help, what do you need assistance with? And now I am going to enter another question asking for the services they provide. Here you can see I am entering a message that is, what do you offer? Now let's see how our AI agent is responding to this message, and here you can see we have got this response from our AI agent. Now let's enter another question and check how our AI agent is responding to that message. Here I am entering this another question, that is, what's the pricing? And here I have got this message regarding the pricing of the mobile app business. And now let's ask more questions from our AI agent and check how our AI agent is responding to the messages provided by us. Here I have entered this another question asking for the development procedure, and here my AI agent is responding to me with some of the development procedures. So here you can see our AI agent is working properly. So you can also create an AI agent like this for your chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL over the tab, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. And once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. Now as I am going to create an AI assistant, I will just use Pabbly Chatflow app over here, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow app, you can see we are getting the button that is access now, and once you will click on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see this is the dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number over here, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can just click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. And on the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, such as inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows. So flows is the most important one here. We use flows for creating our WhatsApp chatbot. Now further we are getting the AI assistant which we are going to create, and further we are getting activity log, settings and get help. So if you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now as we are going to create an AI assistant, we will just click on AI assistant over the sidebar. As I have clicked on AI assistant, I have got this page, and here you can see these are the AI assistant I have created, and you can also see the total number of AI assistant, active and inactive AI assistant. And now I am going to show you how to build an AI assistant from scratch. For that, firstly you have to just click on add AI assistant button over here, and once you will click on add AI assistant button, it will ask you to enter the name of the assistant. So now let's provide the name to our assistant here. Here I am providing it the name AppWise, which is the name of my mobile app business brand. Now let's click on add AI assistant button over here, and here you can see my AI assistant somewhat look like this. And now in this AI instruction, it is asking me to select instruction type. So I am going to select the instruction type as AI agent over here, as I am going to create an AI agent. You can also select the instruction type as custom prompt here, and you will get this prompt over here. Now I am going to select the AI agent over here, as I am going to create an AI agent. Now further we are getting AI configuration, and in this AI configuration we are getting the option for temperatures. So you might be thinking, what are temperatures? So temperatures basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer, and here 0 means focused and 1 means more creative. Means if you move towards 0, the answer will be more focused, and if you move move towards 1, the answer will be more creative. So here I am going to keep it as the same, that is 0.5. Now further it is asking me to select AI to use. So I am going to select the AI as OpenAI, and now it is asking me to select the model. So I am going to select the model as GPT-4 or Mini. You can choose any of the model based on your need. Now further it is asking me to paste the API tokens. Now for getting the API token, you just have to follow this help text, which is saying kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So here we have to visit the OpenAI API's key page, and here on this OpenAI API's key page you can see we are getting the option for create new secret key. So just click here and provide name and your project details, and then just click on create secret key and your own API token will be created. But as I have already an API token, I will just paste it over here. Now here as I have provided the API token, and here as I have clicked on connect button, I am getting this pop-up that is OpenAI key saved successfully. Now further we are getting some of the AI assistant settings. By enabling this you can provide the header or the footer message, but I am going to just disable it over here. Now further you can also provide the stop keyword by just enabling it, and further we are getting the option for retry attempt. So you can also provide the retry attempt over here. So retry attempt is basically the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the range of this retry attempt is from 1 to 10. But I am going to just disable all of these, that is stop keywords and retry attempts. Now further we are getting the option for fallback message. So this is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly. So I am getting this fallback message, so I am going to keep it as the same. Now let's move on further and provide knowledge source to our AI, and here it is asking me to choose a file or drag it here. So here we have to upload the knowledge base of our business from which our AI agent is going to fetch the details and provide to our customers. And here you have to note one point, that the file format should be in .txt. So for getting the .txt format you just have to go to docs, and here on your knowledge base you just have to go to files, and here you can see we are getting the option for download. So you just have to download your file on the plain text, that is .txt format. And here you can see this is the knowledge base I have created for my business, that is my mobile app business. Now I am going to just upload this file over the AI agent. Here you can see I am having this file that is about app wise. So I am going to just select it and paste it over the AI assistant, and here I am getting a pop-up that is file uploaded and processed successfully. Now further you can see as we have provided the file, we have got this name and the vector ID. Now let's move on further and configure the assistant interface. So here on this assistant interface you can see it is asking me to enter the header, display or the heading name. So I am going to provide my brand name as my heading name, and you can preview this over this chatbot. Here you can see I have provided my brand name, that is AppWise, and here you can see in the preview of this chatbot my brand name, that is AppWise, has appeared over the header or the heading name. Now further here it is asking me to provide the subheading name. So here we are already getting a subheading name, that is we are online and happy to assist you, and you can see this subheading name is appearing over the header as the subheading. Now further it is asking me to select the initial message. So here you can see we are getting one initial message, that is hi there, how can I help you today. Now you can also provide your own initial message. For that you just have to type your initial message over here. So I am going to show you how you can provide your own initial message. So for that I am going to type a message, that is hello, and here we have got the initial message over the preview of the chatbot. Now further we are getting the option for display the powered by Pabbly label. So if you want to display the label that is powered by Pabbly, you just have to enable it, but if you don't want to display the label of the Pabbly, you can just disable it over here. And here you can see on the preview of the chatbot the label of the Pabbly has been disappeared, but I am going to just keep it as enable over here. Now further it is asking me to enter the footer text. So if you want to provide the footer text, you can provide it over here. Here we are already getting a footer text, that is privacy policy, which is appearing over here. Now further we are getting the option for entering the footer link. So if you want to provide any footer link, you can provide it over here. Now further here we are getting the option for users first message. So this is the message which will be sent to WhatsApp as initial message from the user sides. And now I am going to enter the user's first message as hey I need help. Here you can see I have entered this user's first message, that is hey I need help. Now let's move on further and provide the styling to our AI assistant. For that you just have to click on styling over here, and here it is asking me to select the theme mode. So if you want to change the theme mode of your WhatsApp, you can choose it from here. Here it is already selected as light, but you can also select as dark over here, and once you will select the dark, you can see on the preview the theme mode of our WhatsApp is already changed, but I am going to just keep it as light over here, and we have got this light theme mode. Now further here we are getting the option for assistant shape. So if you want to provide a shape to your assistant, you can provide it over here. Now further we are getting the options for providing the coloring to our WhatsApp chatbot. So you can also provide coloring to your chatbot based on you. Now further we are getting the option for enter header, profile picture, assistant profile picture and background picture. picture. So if you want to add these stylings to your WhatsApp chatbot, you can also do this. So here you can see we have created our AI assistant for mobile app business. Now we just have to enable this to make our AI assistant active, and now I'm going to just click on save AI assistant button over here, and as I have clicked on save AI assistant button, I have got this pop-up that is AI assistant saved successfully. Now if you want to embed AI agent over your business, you can simply click over this embed button and you will get the script code. You just have to paste this script code over your business and the AI agent will be embedded to your business. So here you can see we have created an AI agent. Now let's move on to our WhatsApp and check whether our AI agent is responding on the basis of the knowledge base which I have provided to it or not. So now let's firstly clear this chat, and now let's say our user is again sending the message that is hey I need help. Here you can see as I have provided the message that is hey I need help, which is the user's first message, I have got this reply from my AI assistant that is of course I am here to help you, what you need assistant with. Now let's ask another question from our AI agent and check whether it's responding on the basis of the knowledge base or not. Here you can see I have entered this another question asking for the app design guidance, and here my AI agent has responded to it. Now let's check whether this is the data which I have provided to my knowledge base or not. For that you just have to go to Google Docs, and here you can see my AI agent is responding to me with the same data which I have provided to my knowledge base. So here you can see we have successfully created our AI assistant. So you can also create an AI assistant for your mobile app business by just using Pabbly Chatflow, which will save your time and help you to enhance your business. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. And if you have any doubt, you can post it over the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.